In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an invoice tracker in Google Sheets. First, open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. You can do this by heading to the Google Sheets homepage where you will be able to create and manage spreadsheets. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account you want to use, since the tracker will be saved to your drive. Next, open a new tab and go to template.net, then search for an invoice tracker template. In the results, choose the option labeled Tracker. This takes you to a ready-made invoice tracker design, which is a helpful shortcut because it already includes the layout you need for managing invoices, payments, and statuses. Once you are on the template page, select the Google Sheets option. This is important because many templates can open in different formats, and choosing Google Sheets ensures it will work directly in your spreadsheet with editable cells and built-in calculations. After you select Google Sheets, you will be prompted to make your own version of the file. Click Make a Copy. This creates a personal copy in your Google Drive, so you can edit it without affecting the original template. Give it a clear file name if you have the option, especially if you plan to track invoices for multiple projects or clients. Now that the invoice tracker is open in Google Sheets, you will see areas of the sheet that need attention. Click on the highlighted sections in the tracker. Continue clicking through each highlighted area you see. These highlights are typically used in templates to guide you to the fields you should review or customize, such as headings, labels, or example entries. Take your time as you move from one highlighted section to the next, and make sure you are selecting the correct cells so you do not accidentally edit formulas or totals. As you click each highlighted spot, focus on understanding what that section represents in the tracker. This helps you stay consistent when you start entering real invoice information later, and it reduces mistakes when you are updating payment statuses over time. And that is all there is to it.